Today is Wednesday. Light. I don't know. I was gonna vlog today. I was supposed to post a cleaning video yesterday. It didn't happen. Say go mama girl. Say hi. The twins are doing their chores. And I just finished cleaning all my appliances. Let me turn it around. So I cleaned all the appliances. Like, look how nice that is. And this one, and this one, and then this toddler is about to. What do you want? What do you need? What? What do you want? Who? Banana? Yeah. There's no banana in here. You want an apple? You want an apple? No. Mommy will get you an apple. No? No apple? Orange? Yeah. You want me to peel you an orange? No. Okay, what do you want? Come here, say, I want yogurt, please. I want yogurt, please. Yogurt. I like your yogurt. Here you go. What do you say? Thank you. You're welcome. I'm not opening. You know how to open it? Okay, don't make a mess. Okay, so my face is still breaking out. That's nothing new. I have to go to the store to do some Christmas shopping. My hair is a hot mess. Don't pay attention to my hair. It's a hot mess. I have to wash it tomorrow. And I also have to go to the gym. And I'm thinking maybe I want to go to the gym now. That way I can get it over with. But at the same time, I don't know if Rob wants to go. Strawberry? Is that the flavor? Okay.
I don't go to the gym. No. I live at all.
You don't like going to the gym? You need to take a shower afterwards, please. Thank you. Well, you both need to take a shower. Ah, get it. Ew, don't let it touch the floor. Oh. Get all your little juice boxes, straws off my floor, please. Get all your trash. Thank you.
I'm faster than you.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm currently doing laundry. I have to go upstairs and iron some clothes. So let's go.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. You've been playing my mind lately, turn it around. Once I thought you were mine, baby, we're safe and sound. You got me waiting.
That took a little bit longer than I wanted to. But at least hubby's and I laundry are done and put away. Just need to put this in his drawer. And I'm done. This iron because you just press that. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, right. Okay. Come on. Not gonna work. It's not gonna work for me. Come on. You broke it enough. Okay, it's not working. Okay, see? I had to use 2 hands to get it done, but I love it. Okay, so I just took out a load of laundry, and look at this. In this pocket, so uniform pants. I think it's Jaxson. Let's see. Yep, it's Jackson's. In this pocket was crayon. There's no crayon anymore. And it ruined this uniform pants and this. And I had a big load. So I'm thankful that this is the only 2 that got ruined, because I had a ton of uniform pants in here, this color, and that would have been expensive to fix or to repair, or you know what I'm trying to say. This is why I stopped washing my clothes with theirs, because I can't afford for them to ruin my stuff. Today was supposed to be a great day. It's not going to be a great day because now I have to go replace the uniform pants. Sorry, my sports bra. This sports bra is always like showing through my shirts. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I was doing codfish. I was boiling codfish, and it boiled over on top of the stove. That's why I don't like cooktops, because it just makes a mess. And I just cleaned the stove. Didn't I show y'all where I just cleaned the stove and shine it up and everything? It was... I'm going to turn it around and show you guys. Luckily, I was able to clean it while it was still hot. That's a good thing. I just sprayed it down with this and then put Barkeeper's Friend on here and scrub it off, and it came right off. But I still have to shine this up because it dripped all the way down to my floor. I can't keep this stuff clean. It ran all the way down to here. We're gonna go to the gym, and Rob wanted coffee. I did my onions for my ackee and saltfish. I'm making ackee and saltfish tonight for dinner. And now I just have to put on the kids' rice, because we're not eating rice. So I need to put that on while I go to the gym. Daddy's home, Juju. Who's there? Daddy's home. Look at him. What are you doing? You need shoe. Come here. Come put your shoe on. Come put your shoe on. You need shoes. Okay, that's fine. You can be out there with no shoes if she doesn't have shoes on. Look at the apples. I have a ton of apples because the kids get free lunches. So there's just apples for days. Jackson's class gave me a thank you. Thank you for the water bottle, and they all signed it. Because you know Corona's going around, and they're not allowed to drink from the water fountain from school, so I brought in a whole bunch of water for the little ones, just in case they forget water.
Mommy!
Yes, honey. Another one of what? Pistachio?
Yeah.
Pistachio. Pistachio. Okay, come back. Now, your therapist want me to work with you, saying, I want pistachio, please.
I want pistachio, please.
Guys, be quiet. I can't hear. Say it again.
I want pistachio, please.
Pistachio.
Pistachio.
Okay, say it again.
I want pistachio, please.
Okay. Good trying.
I
All right,
know.
let's get some pistachio. So, I think this is it for today's vlog. I'm just going to go back. We're going to go to the gym. Go to the grocery store, pick up some salad for us. And come back, finish up dinner. Put the kids to bed. And, ooh. Put the kids to bed and call it a day. Right, Mr. Rob?
Do it all over again tomorrow.
Do it again. Do it all over. He said it's smoother. Bye, people.